Hi guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Compact fluorescent lamp CFL, also called compact fluorescent light, energy saving light, and compact fluorescent tube, is a fluorescent lamp designed to replace an incandescent light bulb. Some types fit into light fixture designed for incandescent bulb. The lamp used a tube that is curved or folded to fit into the space of the incandescent bulb, and a compact electronic ballast and the base of the lamp. Compared to general surface incandescent lamp giving the same amount of visible light, CFL uses 1/5 to 1/3 the electric power and lasts 8 to 15 times longer. CFL has a higher purchase price than an incandescent lamp, but can save over 5 times its purchase price in electricity costs over the lamp lifetime. Like all fluorescent lamps, CFL contain toxic mercury, which complicated their disposal. In many countries, governments have banned the disposal of CFL together with regular garbage. These countries have established special collection system for CFL and other hazardous waste. The principle of operation remains the same as the other fluorescent lighting electronics that are bound to mercury atoms are excited to states where they will radiate ultraviolet lights as they return to lower energy level. This emitted ultraviolet light is converted into visible light as it strikes the fluorescent coating and into heat when absorbed by other materials such as glass. Apart from all that, I will present and show some schematic wiring diagram of CFL lamp. Maybe this is useful for those of you who understand and want to know what the circuit inside a CFL lamp looks like. I have collected this circuit and schematic several years ago from various brands of the CFL lamp, ranging from branded and very expensive to low price. And thank you for watching. See you next time.